My name is Justin. I'm from SBT Ultrasonic as a pre-sale engineer. Our company was founded in 2007. In the very first age of our company's development, we were just a lab in the university, but now we've grown into a listed company with over 1,000 employees. We do have the deep understanding on this technology. That is why we can develop different core components of the different ultrasonic system. With the ultrasonic technology, we can use it for welding, imaging, cutting, etc. In this exhibition, this is more related to the automotive. That is why we can use the ultrasonic welding for the automotive industry. For example, this is a low voltage wire harness. This is a high voltage wire harness. Generally, we have three biggest business units. First is the new energy vehicles. Second is the semiconductor. Third one is the medical aesthetics. Under each different business units, we do have different applications. For example, under new energy, we do have the wire harness welding, we have the tire cutting, we have the battery tap welding. So if you are interested, please go ahead and check the website sbt-ultrasonic.com.